From the beginning of our cooperation with AceMicromatic, we're focused on gradual development and long-term collaboration. Today's market expects machines to be fully configured, equipped and programmed to deliver specific final parts. Thanks to our close cooperation with ACE, we can meet this expectation. This approach is the basis of our partnership and should continue to be our direction in the future as the market increasingly demands such integrated solutions. We started by offering simple machine tools for basic production tasks. Over the years, the product range has evolved significantly, and we now deliver complete technological solutions, often with integrated automation. The number of satisfied customers continues to grow, with many returning to purchase additional ACE machines. This reflects the market's positive reception and encourages further portfolio expansion in cooperation with the manufacturer. ACE machines are widely used in sectors such as mechanical engineering, aerospace, automotive industry, even including its supply chain. Polish manufacturers place high value on strong price-to-performance ratio, fast and easy access to service and spare parts, familiar control systems like FANUC and Siemens to streamline the operator training, turnkey solutions that include full configuration, setup and automation options, eco-friendly features, remote monitoring, diagnostics and predictive maintenance capabilities. Many of these expectations are already fulfilled by ACE machines. AceMicromatic has shown excellent adaptability in incorporating European market feedback into their machine development.